So this is a Thursday, the day after we removed the beaver pipe, or the beaver dam, not pipe. This is the culvert pipe right here. It was dammed up. I just removed all this debris right here. And as you can see, it's flowing again. Looking at the log, the difference, I could probably shove the camera under there now because it's so, well yeah, it fell about another 2 to 3 inches. So the gap between this wood panel and the water is growing. And then maybe the pipe, I don't know. As soon as I can show yeah, I can put this farther in now. I don't know if you can really see anything, but so we just restored water flow there. We're gonna go check out the dam. So this is the Beaver Dam the next day. As you can see, they patched it up, but they did allow water to flow out, so they didn't patch it up all the way. And then looking at that piece of wood right there, it's about, the water level is an inch lower than the actual piece of wood. So we're gonna clean this up right now again, restore water flow. I'm not gonna go all the way down there because I don't really have time. Today I want to get other things done. But yeah, we're gonna quickly clean this up and then restore water flow. So as you can see, water flow has been restored. Things are flowing good. I think over the course of 2 days, this area is gonna probably drop to the point where we're not gonna have to worry about it anymore, because I can start seeing more and more of the bottom in this area. So, I can basically see the bottom, which is a good thing. But one thing I do want to check real quick, I know I said I didn't go down there. I want to check to see how the left side and the right side are flowing. So we're gonna do that real quick. So yesterday, this entire area was flowing with water for maybe like half a mile, and now it's back to regular. So it'd be kind of cool to see how it stopped or why it stopped. See, this isn't really flowing. What I wanted to see is that yesterday when both that side was flowing and that side was flowing, there was no dam and there was the culvert pipe was unclogged. This was flowing kind of strong. but looking at it right now, it seems that it's kind of returned to its calm state, and actually dropped a little bit too. Looking at the moisture of the, not moisture, I don't know how to describe it. You can see the water line. It probably dropped about 1.5 inches, and here we can see the flow. So yeah, the current reduced a lot. You could tell, but yeah. So that's a good thing. So I kind of want to know if the water stopped, because either there wasn't enough water to keep going, or because the beaver dammed it up. But I guess in a couple of hours, we're going to return to this area once again to see how things are going over here. It might be that, you know, it's not going to flow there anymore. Or it might be, oh no, there's nothing here. But yeah, this part isn't really catching up too well. I don't know. Maybe you can see if it's rising. If you can observe. Yeah, it's rising very slowly. Okay, let's. I think you can see that. Gently and gently. I'll do that one. See? Slowly moving up. So what's probably going to happen is that it's just going to keep rising and rising and rising. So this is kind of like the original idea here. By removing that dam, this area that's deep is also going to start taking on a load of all the extra water. So like I said, I'm not sure, you know, if it'll ever get across to that point, because, you know, there's quite a bit and it's moving a lot slower. So we'll see. So from a distance, just looking at the water levels, there's a difference of about 2 inches between this right here and that up there. So it's still gonna be draining for a while, and we'll know when it's all even is when everything's just gonna be at a single base and you can't really see that the water's flowing. That'll be the indicator that we've done all that we could do. So this is Friday, the next day, and I want to show you guys something. Look at that. This is my first time today coming down here to check the culvert pipe out. And look at this. The beavers gave up. Look at this. I can shove the GoPro in now. Ooh. Look at that. That's so cool. That's awesome. I think that's a victory right there. Absolute victory. But the thing is that there's a huge dun dun dun, and that's that right there. So they gave up on the culvert pipe. And what happened instead? Let's see if I can step up here. Yep. They built a dam right there. So, you know, they changed tactics. They're just gonna leave this, and they dam that part up, and then I think, I haven't checked the dam over there, they probably dam that thing up again. So we're gonna break that thing up a little bit. So I can't really get a good angle anywhere from the base, so we're just gonna have to kind of wing it. Okay, I can stand on this. So look at that, just a whole nother dam. But this one isn't wooded up. This is just small branches and miscellaneous stuff. So let's see if I can get this. I'm using the handle right now. Oh yeah, see that? Oh, let's get another one in there. Hold on this back. Let's use another one. There we go. Water's flowing again. That's good, that's good. So, this is probably the last time I'll be doing anything with the dams, because I have other things to do. And there's also the summer weather that's coming in. Right now, summer was about to hit some of the highest numbers it's hit in a while. So it's gonna be very hot. And in a way, this flooding here is now a good thing because it's gonna feed all of the trees, all the grasses in the fields. It's still flooded, but I think in the course of 2 days, this weekend it's supposed to hit 100 degrees Celsius, or Celsius, yeah, 100 degrees Celsius. It's supposed to hit 100 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 45 degrees Celsius. And so once that hits, you know, things are gonna start drying up really quick. But yeah, that's good. If you look at that grass level, you see how the top is like all green and yellow and the bottom is just brown? That's how much it's fell or fallen. And that's about 1.5 feet of water that's just been cleaned out. So, like when we started, man, my battery died. And this one is at 7%, so I can't really do much. But whatever, when we started this entire thing was like covered in water. That's entire, or it was definitely 1.5 feet above water. So this is some crazy progress. Let's quickly run over to the dam and see what's up over there before my battery. You see how the color of the rocks changes? You have dark and then kind of like white, and then you just have the kind of rusty orange brown type look. That was all underwater like 2 days ago, or 3 days ago. So this is just incredible. The amount of water that drained out. Let's quickly run over to this part. And yeah, as I expected, it's clogged up again. We're gonna quickly clean that out. See, at this point what they're doing, they're letting this water leak out, and that secondary dam they're constructing, that was supposed to house everything behind there. So they were gonna be fine with all of this leaking out, but they're keeping the water on this side, so they have a way to construct that dam easier, the one we just destroyed. But unfortunately, not today, Beaver. Woo. Look at this. Look at that. Woo! Look at that flow. Oh yeah. This is it. If it's flowing, it's going, boys. Oh yeah. I don't know how this is gonna look on camera because I'm literally holding this with one hand, and then with the other hand I'm just chopping things away because battery's about to die. So this is like some action-packed cinematography right here. Cinematography. Oh yeah, I hit something nice there. I'll just record and break this up to the point where it just runs out of battery. And then you guys will know that it's the end of the video because the battery will just die. Oh man. There we go, there we go. Oh yeah. It's like I've got peace in my heart like a river, or peace in my river. I don't know the song. I got joy like a river in my heart. This is the same thing going on right here, friends. Got joy like a river. Hallelujah. This is awesome. Oh. Okay, I think over this weekend, this entire area will just transform into a dry swamp. Not dry swamp. I don't know what to call it. Let's see. Get this out. Is this thing still recording? Yeah, this thing's still recording. That's sick. For some reason, 7% on this one lasts a lot longer than 7% on the other battery. Oh man, my hand is sore. Try to dig out a deep channel. We can get more of that stuff out. Oh yeah. There we go, there we go, there we go. See that flow? Ooh. Oh man. Apologize. Excuse me. Wait, look at that. I'll call that good. Man, look at this. Man, that's so nice. just water flowing. But yeah, I think by the time I come back on Monday, I'll just come back to inspect it. This will, see that log right there? See, it's like that. It'll be like this. It'll be like that. Because oh wait, no, it's still alive. As the things, or as it starts heating up a lot, plants, vegetation is gonna need a lot of water. So it's just gonna start sucking things up out of the ground. And when it starts doing that, the water will be sucked up with it. So it's like these things drink the water. Water kind of just makes its way up, because in some cases water does crawl up, which is kind of cool. But yeah, nice. Okay, so this is Friday. Thank you for watching. I'll probably do a mixture with this and Monday. So yeah, thank you. Bye-bye.